Today we're going to show you how to use the strategy add a friendly number on an open number line. Remember, add a friendly number is where you keep one number and then take friendly leaps of tens or multiples of 10 forward. Today we're going to show you how to use the open number line to record the strategy of adding a friendly number. Here is the first number string that uses the open number line. It is page 46. As you can see, the first problem is a simple problem that students should already know. So you simply write this problem on the board, quickly get a response from the student, and record. For example, 43 plus 30. In this instance, you would call on a student. If they are correct, ask if the class agrees, and then record the solution on the open number line. So for example, a student may say 43 plus 30 is 73. So you would record a jump of 3 tens on the open number line. 43 to 53, 53 to 63, 63 to 73. You would then record your solution and move to the second problem. Our second problem is 43 plus 38. After recording the problem, you will want to give the students wait time and have them use their number talk signals to respond. You would then solicit student responses and record their responses. So for example, a student may say 81 or maybe 82. Then you would ask the students to defend or justify their solution. For example, you may have a student say that they split the numbers by place value to add, which is a perfectly great strategy that we just covered. You may have students use other strategies, so you will record their strategies and name the strategy they use if you are able. But the goal is to have students use the strategy of adding a friendly number. So you may have to ask if anyone can solve the problem using a different strategy, referring back to the first problem of 43 plus 30. The goal is for students to say that they started with 43, they jumped 30 on the open number line to get to 73. Then they jumped 7 more to get to 80, because 80 is a simpler friendly number, and jumped 1 more to get to 81. Be sure to name the strategy that's being used. You might say, so you added a friendly number to solve. If no students use this strategy, this is an opportunity for you to say, I once saw a student solve the problem this way. Then demonstrate. And we call this strategy adding a friendly number because we started with one add-in, then added the tens, and then added the ones. Remember, the goal is to expose all students to various mental strategies. Students will latch onto and use the strategies that make most sense to them. These number strings provide you with a framework to expose your students to 8 different mental strategies. Students should not be required to use a specific strategy to solve problems. They should always be able to solve addition and subtraction problems using the strategy of their choice.